guys, Flying Falcon here. Today we're playing Roblox Booga Booga. Right now we're in a private server, as you can see. I'm my friend 5 Seconds of Summer. Yay. That's like literally her name. And okay. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. But I didn't from us this whole time and you come back with Booga Booga? I know, I'm sorry. Just that I'd be sick and yes, I'd be sick. And basically, um, I have leveled up quite a bit. So, um, okay, whatever. Um, well, yes, please. Yeah, see how. This isn't sun. Oh yes, I'll be back. So what I was thinking was, hey, I should probably start from scratch. So I let this guy kill me with all my crystal armor. And, well, I didn't let him kill me. I tried to kill him, but yeah. So basically, I will start from scratch. As you can see, I am level 100 at my I've got 240. But anyway, I know you can make mag stuff. Got mag, just not making anything. Got crystals, not making anything. I know. I'm saving them. And as you can see, the fire ants, I think, or red ants, are breaking through. So we better mine this wealthy gold so they can get to us. Yeah, they're going to us. What we'll do is mine the rest of this gold score. Their health, and we will continue. Okay, as you can see, I've leveled up one because I broke, and now we gotta break the Queen Ant Mound, and then we're gonna take down the Queen Ant. Now the Queen Ant just under the mound. I'm pretty sure you know my other video, but this time we're gonna record the whole thing, not start when the Queen Ants are on like half health. So we'll get straight back. One good thing about, well, it's not just one good thing. Oh, so if you stick to me, I'm good. So good thing about Booga Booga servers, is that if there's no one else except who, if it's your VIP server and you're all alone, that's legendary because you can get everything to yourself. Magnesia comes down, boom, it's all yours. And you can leave there for as long as you want. No one's gonna come get it. Crystal, like crystal areas, yeah, no one's gonna get them because no one's here. But the good thing with private servers and not friends is that you can just roam around everywhere, controlling the YouTube channels like I've done. I'm gonna join another private server sometime soon, maybe on Jailbreak, or maybe back on here. And if I do, I'm gonna be, if Jailbreak, I'm gonna be doing a jailbreak um robbing thing, maybe. Or maybe I'll just be a cop and press everyone. That's my strategy. Or we do a bigger water base, because I'm thinking of doing a water base, like making a base on water. I got a pretty good idea for that, but we'll try test it out. In next video, it's gonna be Phantom Forces. Yeah, again, I have done a lot of good stuff with Phantom Forces, so I hope you enjoy that video. For now, enjoy this video. Okay, guys, so we're on this island, Crystal Island, and we're gonna get some crystals, even though I have 10. I made the crystals pick, so it's like easier to mine. You know, I'm staying. No, you don't, cause this stuff. I'm sorry. I think the girl's over there mining that one. I'm mining this one. I have. Oops, wrong thing. Doing 13. Yeah, if you want to know what that page was, it was, that's how I call it. I use screencasts on that. I think you already know because it's in the link in the description. Make sure you use it. Yeah. Okay, so just on the margins. I'll get a few crystals back in mind I wasted. I'm not really much wasted, so I joined a server. I'm not saying this server, because right now I'm just gathering resources. Um, so I joined server of noobs, and then if there's just a -5, everyone's begging me, and I just destroy everyone. So that's basically my story. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you later in this video time. So, and the good thing is, we have a stone. Just mine petrified trees. We petrified. I find this logically weird, but watch this. But yeah, I can do this. How can you break a god that is that you can walk through? That god used to drop gold and uh two, I think, two crystals, but now it drops like two meat. Two. So I'll give an example. One blood fruit and two raw meat. That's what it drops. Just disappointing amount of waste of time. Oh, my girl, so I can have the crystals and a thinker. That's why. Okay, so I'm gonna help her mine. I am all alone, 'cause I'm all alone. Oh, I'm all alone. Now I'm all alone. I'm waiting for these to grow. I'm all alone. I'm all alone. Oh, 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 oh. I'm all alone. I'm all alone. Now it's time to cook all this meat. Cook all this meat. Yeah, yeah. Time to cook this meat. I have so many me, that's true. Sometimes I wish I could do that too. Now I eat, and I'll see you when I when I do. Okay, so these have grown. Oh, and the food ready. I'm just gonna. That was a waste. Wait, how much? 13. Can't wait for that one to grow. So just grow these. I'm just growing these because I need more. But let's see how much food I got. Just eat some first. Okay. Now collect all of it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'll be back. Okay, from eating it and not from eating it. Well, I got that much. Crystals. Stock up on crystals. And I'll see you soon. Not soon, it'll be like the end of the video. So, I'm at Wealthy God. I'm making a goal. I'm destroying all gods in this server. So I already did the lonely, and my sister's been watching Pokemon. She's a fan of it. Well, so am I, but not a fan. It's just I'm just watching how dead it is now. Ivy actually likes it. Well, okay, let's go. So um we're gonna be breaking this. Let's do this. Boop 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 boop. You not see any Pokemon here. Well, look at John. Isn't it the Noob King? Hello. Let's see what he said. Well, we'll have a little bit of a conversation, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so after the but one thing I know he died, and I can hear a few going on around. I think my sister's watching Pokemon, so I will go tell her to turn it down a bit. Yeah, so she turned it down a bit, and I'm thankful because I'm right next to the living room. So I'm gonna break this god. I don't think we'll have time to break all the gods. I guess right, I breaking gods private server whatever. But I know I'm gonna get a bit of essence from this. I don't know. I'm almost on this. I'll see when it's done. So yeah, we broke that gold. Now I'm out. I'm gonna mine this piece of gold that's here. And I'm gonna do one more thing before we leave. Just thinking on what that thing might be. Let me think. Yeah. Let me think. Oh, that's right. I need to level up. I already did because I broke a few mag rich rocks before I finally break the hateful god. So I'm gonna finish up by leveling up. I think that's how I'm gonna roll. These snails give a lot. Yeah, they give a lot of not health. Level. So guys, that tree just leveled me up, and these things just spawned back in. But guys, that's going to be the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Like, I really hope you did, because I took a long time and effort of my life just doing this for you. I don't think you understand that. But guys, I hope you enjoyed. Now, I'm just going to burn this heap of gold up, and I'll see you in the next video. What should I say for my... What should I say? Oh, I know. OG!